Hi everyone, my name is Kesha Williams, and welcome to my course, Spring Boot Fundamentals. I'm a software engineering manager in the IT department of Chick-fil-A. In this course, we are going to learn about Spring Boot, an extension of the Spring framework that helps developers build simple and web-based applications quickly with less code by removing much of the boilerplate code and configuration that characterizes Spring. Some of the major topics that we will cover include Spring Boot and its benefits, like automatic configuration and Spring Boot starters, bootstrapping a simple application using Spring Initializer, accessing data with Spring Boot and H2, along with the auto configuration Spring Boot provides, configuring a Spring MVC application using Spring Boot, developing a RESTful API using Spring Boot, building a GraphQL server that exposes APIs, making your application production ready using the Spring Boot actuator, and we wrap up with writing unit and integration tests in Spring Boot. By the end of the course, you will have mastered Spring Boot to make development faster and deployment easier. You will learn all of this while using a fun case study called Traxilla, a bug tracking application that you will help develop using Spring Boot. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with Java and have a beginner-level understanding of the Spring framework. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about the time-saving features of Spring Boot in the Spring Boot Fundamentals course at Pluralsight.